Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my Boxy Charm regular base box unboxing. This is not PR, it is bought with my own money, so this is not a sponsored video. If you want to see what box I got and what's inside the box, then let's go. Alright guys, so I haven't opened this yet, but I automatically see some things I'm excited about. I don't have a price sheet or a box. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab my phone here so I can look these stuff up. I do see these Dead Sea Mineral Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes, removes even waterproof mascara, and 25 towels. They are by I Am Beauty Care. I've never heard of this brand before. And this is kind of funny because I have not been using makeup wipes recently. Because I've heard they're not so great for the skin. But I want to see what they... This is a weird packaging, guys. Oh, okay. Oh, they kind of smell very chemical. I mean, it's a makeup remover. It says, our Dead Sea Mineral plus Vitamin C Makeup Remover Wipes help prevent dark spots while moisturizing, brightening skin, and remove all traces of makeup without causing irritation, leaving skin hydrated and luminous. Okay. Looking. Not that I would know what's actually in here. I don't know. I will have to look these up a little bit more. I'm going to check the price on this. So bear with me, guys. It says on BoxyCharm's website that they are $17. So these are $17. I should be writing these down. Sorry guys. Okay, so the wipes are $17. And then I see this, which I saw this and I was like, oh, I'm not sure if I really kind of want this in my box, but it's a plant-based vegan daily concepts, individuals who think in the shower shampoo bar. So the thing with the shampoo bars is I've used them one time when I was on, not with this company. I've used it one time when I was... Oh, it kind of smells good. I've used them when I was in Disney one time. I went to, I forget what the name was, but they had like I had a shampoo bar and a conditioner bar. I will give it a try just because I'm almost out of the shampoo that I really like, because I do have very sensitive skin, so I'm interested to see if that will work. But the problem is I have a dry scalp and oily hair, so the problem is that the hair tends to get dried out, and then I mean the scalp it tends to help to scalp, but then it makes my hair oily sometimes. So let's see, it says you will love the Daily Concept shampoo bar. This plant-based shampoo bar has everything you need for clean, beautiful hair with no plastic. A simple bar for beautiful hair without filling the oceans with more plastic bottles. I like that there's not a really lot of ingredients. There's no SLS in it or anything like that. So it might be okay. It says it has avocado oil, something about a cactus, aloe. So I'll definitely try that out. When you open it, it doesn't say how many uses, like, it doesn't say. But it's like wrapped in this little string. And I just took a shower, so I won't try this till tomorrow, but it's like got like a hook that you can hang it, well, like a string you can hang it on in the shower. So that's actually a pretty good size bar too, because the ones that I bought in Disney, I mean, I know it's Disney and it was Disney Springs where I bought it, because I had actually forgot to bring shampoo, and I really don't trust anything in the stores. So that's why I was like, maybe not. So this is the Daily Concepts shampoo bar. And it says it retails for $24. That's one other thing about like stuff like this is they're not like, I don't know if any salons really carry them, but being a cosmetologist, I don't really use much that isn't backed by a hair salon. This is vegan, natural, all that kind of stuff. It says cruelty free, all that. So I will try it, but I normally don't use products that I can't buy at like a salon centric or inside of a salon store. But I will try that out because it is all natural. I also see in here the Pretty Vulgar. I think this is an eye primer. Eyeshadow primer base. I was hoping I would get this. I think actually this comes in every box. And it's just in like a nude shade. It's a little tacky, but it's really not any more tacky than like any regular eyeshadow primer. So I'm excited to try that because I've been using my Urban Decay Primer Potion for a long time. And I do love it, but I like to try new primers. I get excited about that because I feel like it's something I don't normally just buy because I want to. I buy it because I need it. So oh my gosh. Okay, so it says that is $22 on the website. So the primer is $22. Remembering that the base box is $125 value or more. And this, I'm so excited I got it because I almost bought it for myself on the Boxy pop-up. And then I was like, no, I think it might come in my box. I don't know why I thought about that, but I saw it on like the thing and I hadn't got my box yet. And I was like, oh, I really hope I get this in my box because I really wanted to buy it. But I was like, oh, I didn't buy it. I bought a bunch of other Glam Glow stuff. But I was like, oh, I really think this might be in my box this month. And I was actually right. Oh my god, it smells so good. So this is the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. And it says apply an even layer to clean skin, leave on for 10 minutes for best result, tissue off and smooth in any excess. If desired, rinse and pat dry, follow with normal skincare regimen. So I'm pretty excited about that, and I know this is probably pretty expensive. Glam Glow tends to be very expensive. Okay. Yep, this retails for $49. This is how many fluid ounces? 2.5 ounces. The Glam Glow is $49. And I love Glam Glow products. You'll see I have a bunch of stuff I got from Boxy Pop-Up. And then this one, it looks like it's an eyeshadow palette, which I haven't seen in any of the boxes that I've seen. Don't tell me this is the one I bought. Okay, no. Okay, it's Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, it's so cute. So I've never even heard of this brand before, but it's got like a good sized mirror and everything. Sorry, I don't mean to blind you, but it has like kind of like a little bit of like fun colors. Like it's got like the red, orange, and yellow, and then it's got like some mattes and naturals. Let's swatch some. So I'll go with pink, which is just called pink. Oh wow. And then I'll go with, let's do the gold one that's just called gold. I like that these are actually kind of named after like what color it is. This one is called emerald and it's green. So that's like pretty accurate. I didn't put enough on my finger there. Here. So that's the green. Alright, let's do the terracotta, which is an orange. Alright, and then I'll do one more. Let's do this cinnamon color. We've got that cinnamon color. Okay, and I really kind of, I need a tissue. I have no more fingers, guys. I'm running out of fingers. I'm gonna swatch this plumberry color. It's a purple color. Okay, it's actually more like reddish plum, and this was no primer. So these are actually pretty good payoff. I'm excited to try that. I love getting palettes in my BoxyCharm, especially when it's something that I don't normally buy. Or I've never heard of. So we're gonna look that up. Can I get a price anywhere? Okay, on BoxyCharm it says that it's $29. So the palette is $29. Okay, so that's what the palette looks like. And I don't know anything about if it's like, it doesn't say it's like vegan or cruelty free or anything like that. I don't know. But I did get that. I don't know what box number I got, guys. I'm sorry. They didn't give me a card for this box. So I apologize about that. But let's total up what was in the box. So the wipes were $17. The shampoo bar was $24. The primer was $22. The Glam Glow was $49. And then the Violet Voss palette was $29. So my box total was $141. $141. And I'm pretty impressed with what I got. I mean, I could have probably done without the makeup wipes, especially because I'm not really using makeup wipes. And I could probably have gone without the shampoo bar as well. But the other three things I'm super excited about. I am excited to try the shampoo bar, but like it wasn't something I was really hoping to get. And I definitely wasn't hoping to get any more makeup wipes because I'm on a no makeup wipe strike right now. I'm actually only using my Clinique Take the Day Off to remove my makeup. And I'm trying that for the next 2 weeks, so I can't even use them because I'm doing the 2-week skincare challenge. Which I have to say, today I did my skincare. I feel like so far it's okay. I'm not sure. I'm feeling like it might be like making my face a little bit red. I don't know. I did look up all the ingredients on this website where you can look up all the ingredients in the products and check to see how safe they are. The thing with e.l.f. is that they do have a lot of fragrance in it, and I should have probably thought about this before I picked e.l.f. to be the line that I chose. But it's not like super harmful. Most of the products were like a 5, which is in the fair category. Anything above a 3 is in the fair category. Which I think is kind of weird, but fragrance was really the only thing that kept coming up. And I can see what they mean about the fragrance because it can irritate, and I do have sensitive skin. So we will see how it works out for me. Sometimes my skin takes a while to, like, that's why they say it takes 2 weeks. It does take my skin a while to get used to things. So maybe that's what it is. I'm really not sure. I'm hoping that that's what it is because I did buy something. Like, I mean, I did buy all these products. If not, like, I can pass them down to my sister or something like that because she likes to try new skincare as well, and she doesn't have as sensitive skin as I do. She has more oily skin, so I think because my skin's so dry, it's really hard for me to find something. But I didn't really have too many problems. I really liked some of the moisturizers I used last night. I did continue using my serum because I can't stop using it. It's my favorite product. But I am trying to figure out if the products are gonna like irritate me. But I think it might just be also introducing a toner into my skin. It's kind of something I'm not used to. So I think my skin might be like reacting a little to that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep trying it for like the rest of the week. And if I feel like it's really aggravating me, then I'm going to stop using it. But I think it'll be okay. I do have more products coming from Glam Glow and some other companies. So I am going to try to like see what combination of the skincare products that I have works best for me, and then hopefully I can pass them down to my sister or whatever. But other than that, that was my BoxyCharm unboxing today. I'm sorry that I don't have the box number or anything. Normally they put it, it doesn't even say, ooh, there goes my shampoo bar. It doesn't even say the weight on my box. On my tracking app, they didn't say it either. I don't know what's up with that, but I'm sorry that I don't have a tracking, a weight for you guys, or a card to tell you what variation I got. I am happy with the box, but I will see probably to give these makeup wipes to my sister maybe. I don't know. But other than that, I will try everything else, so I am excited that I did get it. Have a wonderful day, guys, and if you have any questions about BoxyCharm or anything, please list your comments, concerns, and questions down below. I will help you. I will leave the link down below also to sign up for BoxyCharm. You can click right on it and it will help you, and it will let you sign up through my link. Again, I'm not sponsored by BoxyCharm for this video. I do not receive PR, so this is all my opinions and thoughts. But with that, I will leave you saying have a wonderful weekend. I mean, today's Saturday here. You probably won't see this until Monday because I already have 2 videos programmed for the rest of the weekend. But I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!